Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use others filters on Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and like this video. So now let's begin. First, you will be needing to go to edits and then we can simply start any project so we can be able to see if it is even possible. And as you can see here on the projects or on the edits app, you will find that there are multiple tabs. There is the insights one and there is this one that would allow you to capture or to record. And this is the project tab. And basically those are the inspirations. So from inspirations, you will be able to see others people, audio, etc. And basically, you won't be able to find some way to go and use their effects. Otherwise, you will be only able to either save them and use their audio that they are using, and basically that's all you can do from here or from the edits. And if you want to have some kind of filters that are similar to yours or you can create their ones, you will need just to go to Instagram, and basically it is only on stories, and from stories you might find like the uh, stars icon, and then you can click on it, and that would allow you to start like a clip using a reel or using a story uh, with these effects. That means this is concerning the stories and not the reels. And after that, you will be able to just use the audios. You can add some clips to these audios, and after that, you can adjust like the effects manually. That's all you will be able to do here on the Edits app. And simply, you will be able to go to the clip. So you will need just to select it first. And from here, you will find like filters, and you can choose from all these filters that are provided by Instagram. And from here, you can also adjust like the coloring and stuff. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.